Is XRP a lucrative investment at the moment, given its prices? What are Ripple and XRP, too? After the most recent statement from Coinbase's legal representative, a regulatory sacrifice? We'll also examine the justifications for the Ripple Data API's lack of updates. Following February 12th. Last but not least, the XRP buyback theory has reappeared once more, but the key query is still, can the value of XRP be used as collateral? With a twist. To learn more, follow me through the entire video. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss the most recent developments in XRP and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. If you are viewing one of our videos for the first time, we will be happy to send you a special welcome. To ensure that you never miss another video, we invite you to click the notification button. We are announcing an 800 XRP giveaway on this channel. You only need to like this video and subscribe to the channel to take part. And leave a comment with the hashtag XRP, and on March 31st the winner will be revealed. Ledger, a well-known cryptocurrency hardware wallet, has alerted its users to a fresh scam technique, targeting XRP holders who are unaware. Ledger said in a recent tweet that fraudsters have produced a fake version of the Ledger Live app to steal hard-earned XRP from users. Notably, these criminals persuade Ledger users to pay money by pretending to be company employees. Their 24-word recovery phrase with you. Users' recovery phrases are revealed, and the con artists use them to access restricted content without restriction. Their XRP currency. Ledger also provided users with a screenshot of its official Twitter account. Discover phony accounts and messages. On the other hand, as we near a Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States ruling, speculations about how a commission case against Ripple might affect the price XRP have risen sharply. Attorney John E. Deaton, who serves thousands of XRP holders as their legal counsel, in the protracted legal battle, a court friend spoke out in support of these theories. The asset, in the opinion of the founder of crypto law, has a favorable risk-to-reward potential, due to the upcoming decision regarding the so-called summary judgment. Deaton predicted that the decision would come in the following few weeks, possibly even this week. If Ripple loses, according to the lawyer, there won't be much of a drop in the price of XRP for the company. We would maintain the current situation if they filed an appeal, as they have hinted. He is confident, though, that there might be some significant price growth for XRP if clear asset classification results in a successful outcome for Ripple. In a 2020 complaint, the SEC claimed that Ripple's sale of XRP to finance its business a securities law violation. The regulator claims that Ripple was required to register XRP as a security. As a result, Ripple has been engaged in a legal dispute with the SEC for more than 2 years. XRP classification. Most US-based cryptocurrency exchanges delisted XRP out of fear of legal action as a result of the SEC case, resulting in the price of XRP so far failing, costing holders an estimated $15 billion in losses, to surpass the record it set in 2018. However, if Ripple can achieve a favorable outcome, it is generally believed that this could change, deciding the legal dispute. Additionally, the asset has been used by a number of technical analysts to start this year's bull run. Year. According to EGRAG Crypto, an admitted XRP permable, the bull run will begin on July 1st. Based on previous price movement, with an ultimate price target of $80 in the coming months. For reference, the current price of XRP is 50 cents per unit. Last week, Crypto Michael, at Michaelpt, who foresaw the asset's rise, asserted that while others hardly moved, the price of the altcoin would go parabolic. Please remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to receive additional updates about the most recent events relating to XRP. Attorney Deaton supports Coinbase's chief legal officer, who asserted that the SEC's legal dispute was unfounded. Attacking the exchange is attacking all of cryptocurrency. Attorney John Deaton stated in a recent tweet that Coinbase's chief legal officer Paul Grewal is correct to claim that the most recent Wells notice that the exchange received from the SEC is a not just at Coinbase but at the entire crypto industry. Grewal made an important comment on a recent episode of Laura Shin's Unchained Crypto podcast. Grewal pointed out that even though Coinbase is a publicly traded company, if the SEC could pursue it, then nobody in the crypto space is secure. This is a battle for all of cryptocurrency if accountable parties engage in serious AML and publicly listed KYC programs that are requesting rulemaking through petitions and trying to no one else is safe if they interact with the government in this way, Grewal's words were reported. The podcast sparked a number of responses from XRP community members who think the claim made by Grewal comes a little too late. While many XRP holders believe that Grewal's comment is inaccurate, Attorney Deaton pointed out he still thinks Grewal is on track to assert that even though it delisted XRP 2 years later than expected, the Wells notice takes aim at cryptocurrency. Deaton claimed that Ripple and XRP were viewed as a regulatory lamb sacrifice. He added that the San Francisco Cryptocurrency Exchange encouraged cross-border use of XRP settlements and in January 2019 delivered a report to the SEC stating that the cryptocurrency was not an investment. The coin was added to Coinbase in February 2019. If the SEC had recommended it, according to the founder of crypto law, Coinbase would never have listed XRP. Due to the fact that it required regulatory approval to go public, the coin was a security. I publicly disagreed at the time with Coinbase's decision to delist it, but the unfortunate truth is that delisting Coinbase probably didn't have a lot of trouble choosing XRP given that it sought to. Bill Morgan, a pro-XRP attorney, responded to Deaton's tweets by saying he comprehends why XRP was delisted by Coinbase. Nevertheless, Ripple was not supported by the cryptocurrency exchange during the firm's legal fight against the SEC. Coinbase would have supported its initial conclusion that XRP was not a security, according to Morgan. Morgan, however, argued that the business decided against severing ties with the SEC because that it intends to make public of its initial selection of XRP for listing, based on the assumption that it wasn't a security. Grewal claimed Morgan's statement came after the cryptocurrency exchange received a Wells notice from the SEC. Claims that it was shot against all of crypto at the moment. He added that the exchange's lawsuits against Ripple and Library were both jabs at cryptocurrency. It's important to expose hypocrisy. It is important to note that not everyone in the XRP community is incensed at Coinbase. Recall how Ripple's chief executive officer spoke to Coinbase shortly after the SEC sent it a Wells notice. Enemy is my ally. In spite of Morgan's assertions that Coinbase did not aid Ripple in its struggle against it's noteworthy that the cryptocurrency exchange submitted an amicus brief in support of Ripple to the SEC. Furthermore, yesterday, XRP supporter and cryptocurrency researcher Leonidas Hadjiloizou claimed that the Ripple Data API, which gives cryptocurrency exchanges and data aggregators access to the availability of XRP circulation data, is still unavailable. It occurs frequently, as the analyst has noted. XRP's circulating supply information was last updated on February 12, according to the data. Leonidas maintains that it is not a major issue in a different tweet. However, he points out that if it is not fixed, cryptocurrency exchanges will continue to report erroneous data points. Following Leonidas' discovery, requests for the XRP Ledger Foundation to take control of according to a poll conducted by Hansen.xrp, the API maintenance. Currently, 271 people have responded to the poll, and 79% of them support the XRPLF Foundation. Upkeep of the API. It is important to note that the circulating supply of XRP and the Ripple Data API are frequently to a squabble. In a number of articles published in 2019, Masari claimed that Ripple's quarterly reports and the pressure to sell coming from Ripple, its founders, and affiliates. According to the first of these reports, XRP's market cap was affected by these inconsistencies. Was blown up. Restrictions on sales, but the report as a whole is also based on an inaccurate calculation. Of the 100 billion XRP supply, 55 billion were escrowed by Ripple in 2017. Much to the displeasure of the XRP community, token tranches for planned monthly sales. Since then, The company has released 1 billion tokens at the beginning of each month with a few exceptions, typically selling 200 million tokens on average while securing the remainder once again. In 2020, Leonidas predicted that Ripple would need about 20 years to sell off its existing assets. Holdings of XRP. In recent years, Ripple has made it clear that its XRP sales are only available to customers. XRP is a bridge currency used by users of its on-demand liquidity product in cross-border transactions. Transactions. The Crypto Basic reported in October that less than half of XRP's supply was held by Ripple. The initial time. The big question of the day is, can the value of XRP be used as collateral? Jimmy Valley, managing director of Valhill Capital, has suggested a new iteration of the XRP buyback theory, igniting discussions about whether or not using XRP as collateral is practical. Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz of Ripple has responded to these discussions. As previously mentioned, Valley put forth the XRP buyback theory in 2021. It is a hypothesis based on the idea that XRP will replace dollars as the world's reserve currency. In light of this presumption, Valley proposed that governments must possess substantial holdings of XRP, calling for the suggested buyback. This buyback, according to the securities attorney, would not take place on the secondary market. Similar to the buyback of gold when the United States backed it, but at a predetermined fixed price, the highly valued commodity and the dollar. Valley set the value of one in the context of the fiat supply and the constrained supply of XRP. $37,500 to $50,000 for XRP. Unsurprisingly, over the years, debates have been sparked by both this price estimate and the theory. Now, Valley has proposed a new idea in a Thursday interview, where instead of holders of XRP temporarily use their holdings as collateral for a bank by selling to the government. Referred to as People's Bank. Although it seems like few are interested in Valley's most recent scheme, it has generated discussions regarding the suitability of XRP as a collateral asset. Unknowingly starting the discussion, XRP ledger validator remittance stated that XRP had no worth to borrow from or lend against. Whether Jimmy has been informed that XRP has no value to borrow or lend against is a question I have. The verifier tweeted and added, "How is it collateral that you can use?" Remittance asserted that collateral needs to have redemption value to support his claim. He claims, however, that XRP only has value while it is being sent from a holder to a customer. A redemption value, for the purposes of context, is the cost at which an issuing company may repurchase before it reaches maturity. Yesterday, Schwartz pointed out in a series of tweets in response to arguments made by remittance that a company only buys back its shares at their value when it is contractually required to do so. Otherwise, it buys the stock at the established fair market value, just like other buyers. Like the value of XRP, by factors of supply and demand. As a result, the value is not promised. Stocks are good as loan collateral primarily because they are liquid, according to Schwartz, noting that the possibility of redemption would hardly be taken into account. Therefore, Schwartz listed XRP's liquidity and straightforward spot market price as advantages that might make it suitable as collateral. Although he admits that its volatility is a disadvantage, he points out that loans backed by XRP over collateralization, other forms of payment being guaranteed, or, in the worst-case scenario, have high interest rates, for example. Schwartz noted that over-collateralized cryptocurrency-backed loans are already common in financially decentralized. It enables users to borrow money against assets they plan to hold for an extended period of time and take up other professions against their positions, perhaps to obtain a leveraged buy, and perhaps to purchase additional items. This is a typical DeFi use case, and I have no real interest in assisting the crypto-rich. People assume a little more risk. But as a potentially low-risk way to earn a return, I'm intrigued by the lending side. For those who have little or no access to things like traditional brokerage, on stored value firms. So, guys, this concludes the video. If you found it enjoyable, Be sure to like, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell after watching the video. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Additionally, by sharing this, you can help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. As many people as you can with the video. Let's spread the word about this, guys. If you're a real cryptocurrency enthusiast, don't miss a thing. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent information that affects our entire community.